What's up guys, it's your boy Ola here, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 5 ways to promote your affiliate links for free. So if someone has been looking for a way to promote your affiliate links for free and make more sales, then you are at the right place, because in this video I'm going to be literally sharing with you 5 ways I use to promote my affiliate links for free. And one of the methods I'm going to be sharing with you in this video has personally made me $1,000 as an affiliate marketer. So if you want to know which one, make sure you stick around and watch the video to the end. So right now let's dive into the video. So the number one website where you can usually promote your affiliate links for free is Instagram. And I know you guys may be shocked to hear it, but yeah, Instagram has been one of the platforms where I promote my affiliate links, and I've made a couple of sales through my affiliate links. So how I basically do this is I literally create a new Instagram account related to the kind of product I'm promoting. So what I mean by that is, for example, if I'm promoting a product related to skincare and beauty, I'm going to be creating a fresh new Instagram account related to the product I'm promoting. And I'm going to be uploading a lot of pictures and a lot of videos on this account. So you could literally do the same for yourself related to any kind of product you're going to be promoting. What I want you guys to take note of this is, don't just upload one videos and then go to sleep thinking I'm going to make a lot of sales to your affiliate links. No, it's not going to work that way. So you need to start creating a bunch of videos backing up whatever product you are promoting, and always make sure you use related hashtag to get the right audience that's maybe interested in your product. So you need to also make sure you put your affiliate links in your bio. So anytime you upload a video on your Instagram page, you could literally tell the viewers to check out the link in your bio. Then from there, those who are interested in your product could literally make a purchase from your affiliate link, and then from there you're going to start making a lot of sales as an affiliate. And by the way, if you want me to do a detailed video teaching you how you can literally do this, how you can literally promote your affiliate links on Instagram, you can literally go down to the comment section right now and drop me a comment. So if I see a lot of people commenting on that, I'm going to consider doing a video on that on my channel. So the number 4th website where you can literally promote your affiliate links for free is TikTok. And guys, TikTok is really massive. A lot of people has blown up on TikTok, so this is your time to jump on TikTok right now. Create an account for yourself and start promoting your affiliate links on it. So let's just assume you were able to create like 40 videos on your TikTok account, and one of the videos you created decided to blow up, or maybe the videos got like 20,000 views, and you're promoting a product that's going to be paying you $10 per sale. So let's just assume out of this 10 or 20,000 views, you're able to get at least 1% conversion rate, which is going to be 200. And these 200 people click on your affiliate links and make a purchase. Guys, you're going to be making a profit of $2,000 on just one video. This is really massive. So one video could literally make you $2,000 as an affiliate marketer if you could literally get that one of your video to like literally go viral. So don't ignore the power of content creation right now. You need to jump on TikTok right now, start creating content, start creating videos. So I know a lot of you guys may be thinking, oh Ola, I don't have a good camera, I don't have a phone, or I'm afraid to face the camera. Guys, this is not an excuse, because you could literally record your screen and you're gonna be fine. So no excuse for not making videos and not promoting your affiliate. And by the way guys, if you know you are finding the video helpful, consider smashing that subscribe button right now and turn on that notification bell, and also don't forget to give the video a like. So once I drop amazing videos like this, you're gonna be the first person to be notified. So the number 3 website where you can literally promote your affiliate links for free is called Quora. And if you don't know what Quora is a question and answer website whereby people go over to this platform right now to ask for questions and seek answers to whatever problems they may be having. And guys, this platform has over 7 million monthly views. You could see right now, this is really massive. Over 7 million monthly views that come over to this website right now to ask questions and get related answers to whatever problem they are facing. So you can literally go on this website right now, create an account, then start looking for questions people are asking. So you need to look for questions in your niche, then you could literally try promoting your affiliate links on this platform. And guys, one thing I want you guys to take note of: once you are promoting affiliate links on this website, you need to make sure you are careful about links, because Quora doesn't like affiliate links. So let's just assume you are able to find like 10 target questions related to the product you are promoting. So out of these questions, you need to put at least 3 links, that your affiliate links, in between of these 10 posts you're going to be answering. So the remaining posts, you need to make sure there is no affiliate links in between of them. And the reason is because if Quora sees that you are putting a lot of affiliate links in your question on your post, they're gonna get your account banned. So in order to find the kind of questions related to the kind of product you are promoting, all you just need right now is to click on the search bar and type in whatever niche or whatever industry you are. For example, if you are promoting a make money online course or a make money online book, you could usually type in how to make money online. So you're gonna see a lot of different posts, a lot of different answers of people searching for how to make money online. So you could literally answer all of these questions right now, and then you could literally insert your affiliate links in between of the answers you have written. You could literally do this for any kind of product you are promoting on here. And guys, please make sure you are careful about affiliate links. Be careful of how you put in your affiliate links in your question. So the number 2 website where you can literally promote your affiliate links for free is called Medium. And if you don't know what Medium is kind of blog where it's going to allow you to write articles, different articles related to whatever topic you want to write. So you can literally take advantage of this right now and write a full articles related or a full blog post related to kind of product you are promoting. For example, if you are promoting like a software or app or whatever kind of product, you could literally write an article related to the software you are promoting. You could write out the features of the software, you could write out the benefits, how to use the software. So once you're done writing the blog post or article, you could literally post them on Medium. And by the way, if you are thinking, if you don't know how to come up with an idea, so if you don't know how to write a blog, you literally go over to ChatGPT and ask it to write you a blog related to the kind of product you are promoting. So the number 1 website where you can literally promote your affiliate links for free is YouTube. And guys, YouTube has made me a lot of sales as an affiliate marketer. Literally 90% of my sales come from YouTube. So all you need to do right now is to create a YouTube channel in your niche or industry and start promoting your affiliate links. So you can literally put your affiliate links in the video description. You could record a video about the product you are promoting as an affiliate marketer. Then you could literally upload this video on. So guys, while doing this process, there are some things you need to put in, because you need to literally learn how to optimize your videos for search to be able to rank on the first page of YouTube. So if you could literally get your video to rank on the first page of YouTube, you'll be able to get a lot of views and a lot of sales through your affiliate link organically. So I'm going to be doing a full tutorial on how you can literally rank your videos on the first page of YouTube to get more views and make more sales. So if you know you want to get the full tutorials, make sure you subscribe to my channel right now, turn on the post notification, so once I drop the video, you're going to be the first person to be notified anytime the video drop. So if you know you really find the video helpful, consider subscribing to my channel, because I literally teach you how you can literally make money online from the comfort of your home. So if you know you want to learn how you can literally make money as an affiliate marketer, you can literally check out this video popping right here on your screen to go check out the full affiliate marketing tutorial.